It started.
Don't click play.
It started just in the video. Which one?
Yeah.
Outpost. You said you'll vote Outpost.
Dude, I mistakenly took Carnival.
Why did you click on Carnival? I thought you said Outpost.
Sorry.
Okay, player. No. Not rare. No. Can you make me as Piggy? Please make me as Piggy. Please make me as Piggy. Please make me as Piggy.
Okay, I'm selecting you.
Yes, sir. You made me Piggy. Yes. Just let's play.
Ladies and gentlemen who are those 5 subscribers, thank you for subscribing.
They heard you. Okay. I just want to increase the volume so they can hear you whenever you talk. Okay. Now whenever you talk, it'll come. Okay.
I'm kind of scared because ladies and
You know what? They're just seeing my screen. Okay. Oh,
Okay, I'm just
they can see
selecting the
just
game.
my screen. They can just see my. Okay, I'm going to spawn.
Sakshit is a big right now, so I'm running away as fast as I can.
And Jatin is my classmate who is talking right now. I just called him and I kept the microphone on so that he can hear what we're talking and he can talk. Yeah, I'm spawning in 5, 4, 3,
Please, I need
2.
to require my piggy points.
Why? I need to get you.
Please, I need some piggy points.
Please, I need to get you. Wait, I'll show you how to play the game. Can you follow me?
Sakshit,
Yeah.
if you kill me, only 5 piggy points you will get.
Okay, can you just follow me? I want to show you something.
Dude, I can't. You're gonna betray me.
No, there. Come here. Get the orange key.
See, are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
No, I don't believe you.
I'm serious. I'm
Are
serious.
you saying the truth? Hey!
I'm about to get
You
you.
are betraying me.
I betrayed you. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Na, 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 na. Which key do you have? Which key do you have?
You think which skill I have? Yeah, well, I have this skill. Yes, Sakshit. Where are you? Can't even catch me.
Oh, you're running away from me from that way. Got it. Nice work. Jatin,
I have crawl method. You don't even know.
what do you even have? What are you even holding?
No, don't you dare see it.
I can look. It's like a hammer kind of thing. What? You're using it for that? What? Are you serious? What are you doing? What are you trying to do?
I'm gonna punch you in the face if you come here.
No, you can't hit me with your hammer.
Oh, come on, man.
If it was there, it would tell. In the game, you could do that.
Should I put first person now?
Thank you. I got you. Just in the Roblox player.
I'm taking revenge.
Oh, I got 5 piggy points.
See, only
No, let's play book 2. Let's play book 2.
No, Sakshit, no.
Book 2. I know ship.
I'm going back. Let's
Book 2
play
bot.
book 2.
Book 2 bot. Book 2. Please book 2.
Okay, we are playing book 2 and that is bot.
Yeah, bot. Because in
Let's
ship.
take Alice as a beginner.
No, let's play Alice only first.
Yeah, and
Join.
I'm clicking play.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me skip time.
And by the way, guys, Jatin the Roblox player is my classmate. Okay, we're gonna play Roblox together. Let's play Sewers.
Not sewers.
Player. Traitor. Okay,
No,
bot.
God damn it, no.
You didn't even vote it.
Why did I not vote it off?
That's how you do it. Yeah, you're so dumb. You're supposed to
When
vote.
I get caught and get killed, I can skip the it again.
No, bot will never follow you. It will go wherever it wants. But we both will meet each other. I know where are the keys, so I don't want to tell you. Can you find the broom for
Okay,
me?
but first of all, I need to do this. Sakshit, do you have any keys?
No, I don't.
I'm gonna kill you as Piggy next round.
You're going to choose me as Piggy?
Wait, where's Dude, if you become Piggy, no. Each player you kill, you get 5 Piggy points, and we are the only one here, so you can. If you kill me, only 5 Piggy points you get.
Oh, I got the red key. I know where's the red door. Come,
Hey,
I'm following you.
I died. I'm just clicking play.
I also got one.
I skipped the timer.
Okay, let's see. How many? I didn't even get one Piggy
Can I
point.
set map as chapter 5?
Okay, chapter 5. It's chapter 5. Okay, can we do me as a Piggy?
Chapter 4, chapter 2.
No, that's very hard.
Dude, it's okay. Nothing will happen.
Okay, fine, but put it as player. I want to be Piggy.
Okay.
I want to be Piggy.
Okay.
Damn it, guys. I promise. You just don't follow me, or else I will betray you.
Then I'll kill you. Wait, who's the pick? No!
Why? Yes, I'll get more Piggy points. I'll get more
No,
Piggy
I wasn't using commands, okay? I wasn't using commands.
That's super hard. That's so easy. You're supposed to use commands to choose me as B. You didn't know that. How did you make me last round? It came by itself. I think it came by itself. Yeah.
Dude, I got the Mimi skin, don't you know? Guys, Sakshit is a Roblox noob. This guy don't even has a Mimi skin. He only has a deer skin, like a teacher skin.
What? Are you serious? I don't play Piggy that much.
Yeah, guys, this guy is a Roblox noob. This guy doesn't even have the Mimi skin more
Oh,
than...
you're shaming
This
me.
one is 235 Piggy tokens, you know, guys. I've been earning my Piggy tokens as a Roblox pro, and Sakshit was only earning for deer.
As if I never earned one Piggy point also. Let's just play. Where is the... What do you need this? Oh, that thing.
I'll tell you where the other keys are. I found many keys.
You're never telling me where even one key is.
Dude, I swear.
Piggy thingy.
Dude, I swear. Come follow me.
Piggy thingy.
Sakshit, I'll never betray you in Piggy, right?
You betrayed me last round. That's why I don't believe you.
Hey, I did not betray you last round. Last round, you are the Piggy. Guys, the Mimi skin is actually really a little bit fast than the twins. Actually, I just have like...
Did you say fast? Now you got Piggy tokens and I didn't even get one.
That's called the Roblox Pro. See, guys, I killed him without a trap. Also, he's a Roblox Pro.
You only told me to get me.
Sakshit, let's play book 1.
This time we're choosing bot.
No, let's play book 1.
Book 1 bot. Okay?
Okay, I'll choose bot only.
Yeah.
Let me go for
Yeah.
Go
Oh
there.
my god, I got all the commands.
Wait, you got all the commands?
Yes.
Impossible.
Yes, there is so much writing showing for me.
Wait, do I have commands? Yes, I have commands. Sakshit, come here. Click play.
Hard mode on. Play.
Click.
Okay, let's play Metro. Gallery. City.
Chapter 9 is really hard.
Please make me as Piggy.
But you said bot.
Okay, fine, bot.
But I have the commands.
Me too. I have all the commands.
Wait, are you the player? Impossible.
The host has selected Carnival as next map. The host has selected Metro and City. The host has selected Bot as the next mode. Oh, whatever you do, it comes to the chat. Hey, this looks like Alice only because there are a lot of cards.
Come on, we have to do it really fast. Because, dude, I know how to get the true ending in Piggy.
Show me, where is it?
I know how to.
What true ending? I'm just going up. I need to go. Oh my god, this is the wrong way. I can't go in. Damn it, boys. Damn it, boys. Boom, boom.
Actually, bot is there in Piggy in this map. Grandmother is there.
I'm running like a pro.
Wait, you're running like a pro? How? That doesn't even sound like yourself.
I'm running.
You're running in the rooftop.
Yeah, I'm in the rooftop.
Dude, even me. Hey, bro, come. Slow.
Don't come up here. Simply, Piggy will get you. Piggy.
Wait, can I go through?
You can't.
Wait, I can't go. Wait, I can. No, I can't.
You can't.
Where are you? Are you in the rooftop deck?
No, I'm not. I'm just running.
Wait. What?
Piggy's right behind me. Elephant is right behind me. Elephant Piggy is right behind me. Damn it.
Is this infection or a bot?
Oh god, it's right behind me. Damn,
Oh,
Piggy's
it's
right behind me. Damn it.
Uh,
Just go.
I actually hate this pig.
Oh, I just dodged Piggy. I got the plank.
Wait, you dodged Ellie.
Yeah, I dodged Ellie. Game over.
Wait, did you get caught?
No, I didn't even get caught.
Saket, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Actually, I can skip the timer.
Why
I
did
can
you do?
skip the game timer also.
Change it to 1 minute.
Chapter 8.
Yeah, chapter 8.
Dude, it's really easy.
Infection. Player.
Bot.
I don't like bot. Bot follows me. I know one thing. Can I tell you something? You know what? I tried to create a private server. My sister joined, and what? I made that server. I kept it as bot. When I was playing the game, wait, I'll tell you something. Bot was following me only because I was the host of the game.
Dude, I have to tell you something.
Bot will follow you only because.
Actually, you can keep players from your own server.
Please let me get the blue key. I'm serious.
Dude, you can get this key. Look,
Let me get it.
you can get Foxy's key. Take.
Yes. Thank you. I'm going somewhere else. Thank you.
Your brothers.
Oh God, where is Piggy?
Okay, we need the purple key. I agree, we need the purple key
Kashiba.
because Clowny follows me always.
Is the bot following you only?
Well, the bot doesn't follow me, I think.
No.
Oh, Clowny's there.
Bot
You
will,
did not tell me Clowny's right behind you.
no for bot. He's not even near me.
No, he is. He was.
I cannot even see him.
Dude, you don't even know what you're doing.
He's not even
Now
following me.
Clowny's there. Great, we are dead.
He's following you only.
Great, because I'm the host.
Yes, because you're.
I'm gonna be in so much trouble, I think. Because I'm the host. I selected the bot, so
Oh God, bot is following me. Damn it. Oh God,
I got the green key.
Clowny is right behind me.
Also, I found the plank.
I found the green door.
Yeah, I know where the green door is.
Oh damn it. Damn. Come here,
Oh,
Clowny.
don't make Clowny follow me, Sakshit. You're so
Oh my God, Clowny almost got me.
Sakshit, if Clowny follows, then you must hold the timer.
Can you make Clowny not come near me? Open it quickly.
I don't know what to do.
Come behind.
Wait, is Clowny following me?
Clowny is following you only.
It's on me.
Yeah, it's on you.
Uh-oh.
I am following you, so Clowny will follow you.
Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Never mind.
I I am following you.
Dude, stop it. I need to unlock so many keys here.
Where is that Jatin, the Roblox player?
I'll not tell you because you're cheating. No. Don't you dare. Oh, Clowny's there. Clowny.
Oh my god! Damn it!
Take the yellow key. Faster, use the yellow key.
Oh, I dodged Clowny! I dodged him! I know where's the red door!
Wait, you know where's the red door?
I found it! Go in here quickly! Kalera!
Oh, great. Now I have to do it by myself.
Yeah, go out there. I want to spectate you. I'm just spectating you.
Wait, did you unlock the red key?
Yeah, unlock the red door. Clowny's there only.
Where's Clowny?
It's this carnival kind of thing. Yeah, come in there.
Is
Yeah.
it a tent?
Go up, go up, go up! You need plank. Damn it. You got a plank! Get the wrench! Get the wrench! Yeah, now get out! Yeah, I'm behind you only. I'm a ghost. Okay, yeah, go up there. Yeah, you unlock it there. Come here, come here. Come here, come to the other side. Come back where you unlock the wrench. Come quickly. Come back. Jatinda, you're going the wrong way. You could unlock, you could get the blaster, you could get the water blaster. You didn't come back to the area.
Yeah, I know.
Get the water blaster. Get the water blaster and keep it somewhere over here, I think.
Yeah, I know where it is.
Yeah, get the blaster. Run quickly. Run. He's right behind you.
Yeah, that clown can't do anything to me.
Yeah, it can't do anything to you. I'm just following you when I'm a ghost. Okay.
Yeah, I think I know where.
Even I can also go through locked doors.
It's like one of these small things. Yeah, it's here.
Put it there.
Wait, I have time.
Piggy's right there. Damn it,
Yeah, these are
Jackson.
good.
Wait, can I stop Piggy from coming to you? Let's see if I can.
No. Something happened to my screen. It was like I clicked something and something weird
Jatin,
happened.
please make me other Piggy. I want to get other people.
Sakshat, don't you understand? If you kill me, you only get 5 piggy points.
Yeah, but see, can you listen to me? When you put it as bot and bot gets when you put it as bot and bot gets me.
Look, Sakshat.
Can you listen to me? When
Just listen to me. If you escape, you will get 20 piggy points.
player, do it as player. Are you serious, bot? Player.
Once again, Sakshat, I need to tell something. Is the mic still on?
Yes, it is still on.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sakshat is always like this. He always likes the outpost and likes to be the picky, but he doesn't understand. Like, kind of like always like want to be the player, but only 5 piggy points you get. If we escape, you'll only get.
I cannot hear what you're talking because I reduced the volume fully.
Seriously.
Yeah, now I increased it. Okay, what do you want me to do?
Okay, faster. Find some keys and clues.
I found the
Wait,
blue
there's
key.
no cloud.
Huh?
Wait, there's no keys.
I found the blue
Oh, you
key.
found a blue key.
Where's
Good.
the blue door?
Keep it up. I know where it is.
Heat
Follow
it
me,
up,
buddy.
heat it up. Heat it up, heat it up. Heat it up,
Follow
heat
me,
it
it's
up.
there. It's here. Follow me. Look.
Run. I got the blue door.
Can I pick up, please?
I got it.
Dude, why do you always ruin everything?
That's what I do. That's how you play the game. That's how you win the game, boys.
Dude, go.
Yeah,
Follow
boy.
me. I know where the house
Yeah,
doors. It's
Yeah,
there, it's
boy.
there, right there. Come on, follow me, Dad.
I know. Where's the blue door?
Do you unlock the get that key? Dude,
You get the. Okay, I got the plank. Get the red door. Get the red one. Now go, run. Unlock the red door. It's right here.
yeah, I know.
I got the plank. Quickly.
Fast.
something.
Yeah, let them follow you because I need to get this thing.
Are you serious?
Dude, I'm serious.
Are you making Clowny?
I'm unlocking this part.
Oh, you're making Clowny follow me so you'll not be dead and I should be dead? Yeah.
Hey,
Oh god, get it.
dude, you're not the one who is dead here. Clowny is following me now.
Oh, Clowny is following you?
Yeah?
Got it. I got the blaster, water blaster.
I got the
Can I tell you something? When in Piggy, whenever you unlock a door, you know what happens?
Come on, follow me.
Whenever it happens in Piggy, it says boom. It says boom.
Wait, I got the key.
Where's the
Come on,
water
fast.
blaster area? Water blaster
Yeah, I got
area. I know the water. I got the water blaster. Yeah, here.
Actually, I need this. Wait, did you get the key code?
I got the key code.
Good job.
Where do I-
Keep it up.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up.
I keep it up.
Oh God, he's. Damn it.
Wait, I can glitch too?
Oh my God, Clowny is following me like a devil.
Wait, is Clowny following you?
Yeah, he's
Please,
following me
don't
like a
follow me.
devil. The thing that's
He's
about.
not following you anymore.
He's following me only. What do I do with the key code?
Do it fast, dude.
Where's the key
Where
code?
are you?
Where do you put the key code? Okay, got it.
Dude, it's in that escape thing. Use it fast.
I opened it. Get the white key.
Good. Oh wait, we need that wrench. Do you have the wrench?
I lost it. You're supposed to. You use the hammer over there. I use a wrench. Yeah, go to that area where you use the wrench. There, where you get the water blaster. There it is.
Oh yeah, there.
Yeah, I left it there
You can't concentrate on the water blasters, actually.
because I already got the water blaster.
You have to watch and learn.
Yeah,
Clowny's following me like a devil still.
he's following me. He's right behind me. Get it? It's back up there. Get it? Damn it! Get it. Got it.
Right.
I already got the key code. Okay, let's go to that area.
You took the...
I got it.
Tell me where's the wrench.
I got it. It was there only.
Sakshat, give
Yeah.
me the wrench.
No, I can't give you. Where is the thing area?
Just come follow me. I know where you think you use the wrench.
Yeah, I'm following you.
Come
Where's
follow
the
me.
door? Where's the
Just
door?
follow me.
After that, we need to get the white key.
Do it faster. It's here. Sakshat, are you following me? No, it's that
Unlocked
side.
it.
Go to the area. Finally, you know how to use those. It took like 1,000 years.
What did you just say?
It took like 1,000 years since you
It
been
didn't even
using
take
it.
1,000 years. It didn't even take 1,000 years. I just did it in like 2
Wait, is
seconds.
Clowny following you?
Yes, he's following me. No! He's following me, damn it.
Good. Keep on making him busy.
Why will I make him busy? I will just follow you.
That man is following me now.
Did you get the white key?
No, do you know where it is?
I do not even have a clue.
Wait, do you know where is the Foxy's key cage?
Yeah, you need the orange key to go there.
Where? Where's the orange key?
Yeah, I don't know. You get the orange key. I'll
Tell
just.
me fast, we need it.
I don't know. Just go. You just go. You just go and get the orange key. And,
Very important and Clowny is following you.
yeah, just get the orange key. Or else I will escape. Or
I'm
else
not even good at this game.
we both will escape. Just get it. Just get the orange key and unlock the door
But I
thing.
don't know where it is.
Just find it.
You're telling me to find it and I'm telling you to find it.
Please find it. I'm just.
We need the purple key.
I'm making him distracted.
Wait, do you remember where is the purple key?
I do not have a clue.
Distract him. I think I know where it is.
I am distracting him by going around.
Don't lead him to that. Don't lead him to that windmill thing.
Windmill?
Yeah, don't lead him here.
I'm near that cage only with him.
You're near the cage. Good. Let him be in the cage.
He's not in the cage. He's following me around the cage. Oh damn it!
Wait, I know where Foxy's thing is. I found it.
Because I'm behind. I'm near Foxy.
Can you let him not be in the cage?
He's in the cage. I don't have the orange key.
Wait, is he in Foxy's cage?
Foxy's in the cage.
Dude, I found the orange key.
Then come and unlock this.
Yeah, I'm coming fast. Dude, distract him somewhere, no.
I'm distracting here only. Yeah, go.
Lead him somewhere. Seriously, bro.
This is your chance only. It's your chance. Your chance to win the game. It's your chance. You get 20 Piggy coins. God. You didn't open the orange key. Oh my God. You could have escaped. You could have escaped super easily.
Dude, actually, that Windows thing is opening, actually.
Oh, that's why. Oh, you couldn't open it like that.
Outpost. I'm gonna set mode as bot.
Yeah, bot only. I also got
Because
that.
it's really hard for us. Because I don't want infection of swamp. You know how swamp works?
How? 3 piggies will come.
Dude, actually no, 3 piggies won't spawn. In the beginning, you will get only 1 piggy. When the challenge gets.
Wait, can I tell you something? In your swarm means only 1 piggy will spawn.
Yeah, when the pig is getting really angry, they'll spawn more piggies.
Oh, that's why it's named as swarm. Don't come near these things because piggies spawn out of there.
Yeah, actually swarm is really hard, you know.
Yeah, swarm is really hard. Why did you choose swarm?
Well, I'll get the blue key, please.
Got it.
Dude, please.
I like to get. Come, unlock. I unlocked the blue door. Come up.
Where it is?
Come quickly. It's right there.
Wait, are you the one who... Sakshit, you're taking all the keys and I'm not doing any work. Fine, it's fine for me, Sakshit, because I'm gonna...
Get the green key. The green key is right here.
Okay.
Okay, I saw the green door down. Follow me.
Dude, torture is there, torture.
No, come with me. I know where's the green door.
Dude, I know where it is, follow me.
It's down.
Shift. Scroll.
Get down.
Yeah, mommy.
I unlock car here.
Fine, mommy.
What did your mother say?
My mother said that after 10 minutes I have to stop playing because I played a lot today.
Okay, fine. I got the red key.
Okay, I just got the purple key. Do you know where the purple door is?
I just got oofed.
Do you know where the purple door is?
It's not a purple door. It's the starting only you saw purple. What is it called? The safe, like a vault. You jump.
Oh yeah, it's a vault.
Yeah, go in that room. Go inside. Crawl and go inside.
Yeah, coming. Oh yeah.
Go back.
I remember.
You better go back. Do you have the purple key? Go up. Yeah, go up. Go in there. Go up quickly. Very quickly go. Oh, damn it, this is the wrong area. Yeah, go here. Yeah, go here. Go there. Yeah, go to your yeah. Go up. Not in the in the room. No, there. This is right there.
One second.
No, it's back. Yeah. Unlock it.
I can't.
Move. Oh God, Piggy is right near you. I see Piggy. Just get. Yeah, you got the Piggy.
Dude, I could not ship.
Bye, Chandan.
Bye.
I'm ending the video. You also say bye to the video.
Yeah, bye. Can you post it?
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. guys. My friend also told bye. Bye.